Let me start, yeah. Hello, this is Vaishnavi Gupta and this is Manisha.
Hello.
And you're watching my Style Gupta. Today we are answering assumptions about me or my school life. But it's not me answering, it's her answering. And me as well. But yeah, she's in it.
Okay.
And we're gonna start. तुम लोगों ने ज़्यादा assumptions नहीं भेजी तो I put the NGL.
It's mostly questions.
हाँ, but NGL में था जितना भी and some YouTube comments हमने देख लिया है. We're gonna answer them all.
Yeah, okay. पढ़ूँ मैं पहला?
कर सकते हो.
Okay. तेरा confidence next level है.
तो ये मेरे लिए किसी महाशय ने लिखा है. What do you want to say this?
तेरी confidence next level है.
Okay. आपको पता है ये मेरी confidence level है.
I think आपकी confidence next level है.
Okay. I take that as a compliment from you
think-
and him.
Yeah, I think mainly क्यों है क्योंकि school life में you have participated a lot. तो इसलिए yeah. चीजों में आगे रहना yes. Confidence next level है.
Good.
One eternity later.
अरे ये नहीं है. ये नहीं है assumption. अरे ये तो दिखा रही थी. Yes.
Girls had a crush on you. I mean,
स्कूल में
yeah, नहीं. I don't know why people assume कि girls school है तो lesbian ही होंगे सारे. यार नहीं.
No, I think the person is talking about the girl crushes, which recently actually something happened. This one person,
yeah.
this one person told me about how this one girl who is junior to me has a girl crush on me, which was very weird for me to know. But I love that. I'd actually prefer younger girls having a girl crush on me than guys. Yeah, let's get it straight.
Agree. But this is very new. मतलब ऐसा girl crush तो नहीं. Even after studying in an all girls school, have you heard ऐसा किसी लड़के को girl crush है
If you
किसी
can just adore that woman very much and you like her very much.
Okay.
As a girl, she is.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Like Emma Watson is my girl crush, sort of वैसे करके.
Okay ठीक है. हाँ.
I think in that sense, girl crush is a genuine thing. ये मुझे भी काफी time बाद realize हुआ, but it's a thing.
You have been in same school since kindergarten. Yes.
That's right. We have been in the same school and we decide to become friends in grade 11th. Chill like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we have been for
13 years.
13 years. Crazy.
In a single school.
all girls school with the same batch, with the same kind of people, with the same people.
Yes, exactly.
I think 10th तक हम लोग same थे, 11th में थोड़ा बहुत change हुआ, but still the same people. हमारा batch में like change भी नहीं होता. I think मैंने पुराने वीडियो में बता रखा है कि ours were the only batch जिसमें ये shuffling नहीं हुई.
Shuffling नहीं हुई थी, exactly.
Right.
It was good.
The people were kind of good.
हाँ, because
Could have been better.
The other section was questionable. Assumption, but a compliment. You look super cute with braces. Love your content.
I was telling the same this compliment to Manisha before, and I was like, "You have not seen me without braces."
Exactly.
I look better without it. Yeah. Hope so. You guys see me without braces soon.
Diva.
Yes.
How many people in your DMs?
A lot. Considering requests, general or primary. My known people भी main account में ही है, so a lot. But in the way that you mean, I don't think so. As much as you think they are, people are not in my DMs just wanting to chat with me. ऐसे. इसका तो ऐसे भी idea नहीं होगा.
Your laugh is kind of cute.
When did you hear me laugh? Right now?
Who are you talking with?
Manisha.
Is that an assumption? मतलब
Oh, are you jealous?
how tall are you? ये तो तुम्हें guess करके डालना चाहिए था ना.
हाँ, I think, but I am 5'3" by the way. A lot of people do assume that I'm very tall, but 5'3", it's an average height. There was this one jealous type about. So you guess, take a guess. Are you the jealous type? Like if I'm in a relationship with somebody, do you think I'm the jealous possessive type or I'm like?
I don't think you're the jealous type. I think you're the type to just understand and leave. I will do the same probably.
We are kind of same in that case. So I think हमारा brain है थोड़ा similar way, but yeah, I'm not the jealous type.
Why
The
to be
fact-
jealous when you can just leave at this point? मतलब उस point तक जाना ही क्यों है कि the person is jealous?
Plus, I don't have a lot of people that I'd be jealous of. Like somebody has them because I should have them in the first place. So yeah, I don't think I'm a jealous type though.
Would you date me? Yes or no?
She'll answer.
No.
Yes, that's the right answer. No.
Who do you have a crush on right now?
Who do I have a crush on right now? Do you
Right
know?
now, current crush. I don't know.
No, man. This is more of like a
there was
Q&A.
this one,
though.
name all your exes. Name all your exes.
I should have access to name them in the first place. Name all it, and even if I had exes, why would I name them in a video?
Name all of them publicly,
Name all your exes.
as if nobody is watching.
Most of them would be watching my video if there were any.
How old do you wanna be when you get married?
I let her guess, and then we'll guess hers. Okay, you guess mine, I guess hers.
ठीक है. Okay, I
Our parents are also watching this video, mine especially. But yeah.
25.
Oh, that's very accurate. Yeah, I think I'd say the 25.
मेरा भी same, yeah,
तभी
25.
I think no, a lot of people do consider late marriages, but I don't think हम दोनों में से कोई would want that. Like 28, 29. So what do you consider?
25 to 27, I think that's fine.
मेरा is 24, 25, 26. That's it. इसके बाद Max is late
I
wedding.
think 24, 25 से पहले तो I don't know.
I do consider like if you have found the one, just marry already. 24 is fine. It's how does it matter?
Were you a talkative girl in the school? I would say hell yes.
Guess. Take a guess.
It's not an assumption anymore, but you must be a topper in your school, right?
No, I was not a topper of my school. I
mean,
said the good
School
one.
तो I cannot say, मतलब school wise तो ऐसा निकलता भी नहीं है any report.
हाँ, and we could have asked. हम लोग आज पता TC correct करने गए थे school से, and we did not ask who topped our school, which I should have.
Oh,
I think.
shit.
Even I wanted to. Who topped our school and even our section, but nobody has informed or we have not talked yet.
Were you that kid who remember कल map लेके जाना है at 11 p.m.
मुझे 11 बजे ही याद आ जाता था. There was something. I think this is a canon event of all students. Map ले जाना in 5th 6th class. It was our political map. हम जमीन पे बैठ के by the way एक बार हमने map किया है. Class में बैठ के भी किया है. We have done all kind of
कौन सा
things.
type का torture है ये पता नहीं.
हाँ, but map I think is just something about every school. What was that math thing? Why do we do that? Why do we coloring Antarctica and India for no reason? उसमें ऑलरेडी दिख रहा है. हम लोग फिजिकल मैप लेके पॉलिटिकल मैप जैसे उसे कलर करते थे.
Yeah, that's pointless. बहुत pointless लगता था मेरे को. डांट भी कितनी बड़ी है यार उसके चक्कर में. I
तो
think
फिजिकल मैप को कलर करने का टू मेक इट अ पॉलिटिकल मैप की वो बाउंड्रीज आ जाए. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट?
you must be teacher's favorite and a famous student. I can get on that. I mean, famous student, I would say yes. Yes. Teacher's favorite and teacher's most hated.
एक ही टीचर थी hated का भी and
Yeah.
favorite I think if we talk about before 10, yes, a lot or a few teachers were there who genuinely liked me. And even the teachers who have retired now, but I think they were teachers had a love-hate relation with me, especially the 11th, 12th ki, so not in 11th, 12th the most. But I am the known children to the teachers as well. So I've been the part of
Famous
this stuff
student, तो yes, I would say.
because I was the house captain इसलिए.
Very much. हाँ. Okay, this is a question. If you were a boy for a day and studied in a boys' school, what 3 things you would have done?
Based on your
Assumption of a boys' school. बताओ.
पहले आप बताओ.
If I were in a boys' school,
As a boy.
हाँ, what would I?
I think मेरी assumption बहुत बुरी है in the fact कि जो हमारा बोर्ड का सेंटर था, it was a boys'
all
school.
boys, yeah.
तो हमें स्कूल देख के पता चल गया, टीचर्स देख के भी कि that is also strict. Except the students are not good at all. बस teachers ही strict है. Like हमारे स्कूल में teachers are strict and students are also well behaved.
पढ़े लिखे बच्चे.
3 things you would have done.
What would I have done? क्या करती मैं? As such, I do not have an answer.
I think I try not to be badtameez like other people. As a person, I am as a girl. I try that to maintain as a boy as well, to not be like that. Because I think boys' school की assumption is girls' school की assumption, boys' school की वही ना, they say double standard for girl and women. If a man does that, it's not. But let's not get into that इतना ज़्यादा. But as such कुछ है नहीं. We live just normally. Try to live normally. क्योंकि normally boys' school में रहना,
supposed to do?
boys' school में थोड़ा normal रहना थोड़ा I think difficult होता. अगर if I were a boy as well.
Teachers are strict though, जितना देखा मैंने.
हाँ, जितना कि also that was a Christian school, so इसलिए भी maybe strict था.
Could be.
I think most of you who are Delhi people could guess the school already.
Don't guess, मत करो. I've seen some people writing ऐसा comment में don't. Not good.
Yeah, मतलब don't, but I think you know. Just keep it to yourself.
You hated studying in all girls.
No.
No, yeah, मेरा भी no.
I wish I was in co-ed, but I did not hate it being in our girls.
नहीं, yeah, there was nothing to hate about it.
we just did not like very much being in our school because exposure being in co-ed is better. Everybody knows that, it's a fact. So yeah, we did not hate though, it was fine.
It was an experience meant to happen. हो गया बस और कुछ
There's nothing we could do
nothing
about
more than
anyway.
that. हाँ.
Teachers could have been better though, like the mentality of few teachers.
Yes. You were bullied / bully in high school. I was not bullied. नहीं. कहाँ होती है bullying?
Nobody was bullied in our school. ना अब किसी ने bully किया भी नहीं. Especially मेरे साथ तो कभी नहीं हुआ. I think chance भी नहीं था. क्या कौन ही भिड़ता आके. It's with teachers and stuff that happens always. हमारे साथ तो teachers
Yes. I mean,
teacher ने bully किया है.
टीचर bully करती हैं. Yes.
एक आध teachers ही है वैसे वो.
स्कूल के बच्चे तो नहीं देख रहे हो.
देख रहे हैं, but they can guess even, but I don't think they won't tell कि आप बच्चे आपने वैष्णवी का YouTube channel देखो, वो आपके बारे में बोलते हैं. We are not naming, but we are not naming anybody. We are just throwing insults in the air. The picker takes it. This was one of the 7 things I learned at 17. I have made a video on that. Go watch that video.
I mean, if the shoe fits perfectly, it's not our fault.
Yeah.
देखो फिर. You were bullied? हाँ, नहीं, never bullied.
Did not
Never.
bully.
हाँ. There were a lot of lesbians and pick me in your schools.
So that's, I genuinely think that pick me na co-ed school में ज़्यादा होंगे, because girls by who are you trying to impress anyway?
Exactly.
Like imagine being a pick me and putting other women down, but trying to impress who? There's nobody to impress.
Teachers.
Teachers भी mostly they are female.
हाँ. नहीं तो मैं female teachers की male teacher impressing that's अजीब.
नहीं, but a pick me would try to impress the male teachers,
हाँ,
not the female teachers. So I think हर किसी schools में there are, but हमारे school में the chances would be even less.
Lessest. बहुत कम थे. Exactly.
Oh, this reminds me of one thing. There was this one girl who called me pick me when I was in 9th class, and it was at that time when I didn't know the meaning of pick me.
पता नहीं मैंने guess किया.
Yes, it was her. We were sitting in a Hindi class and she just called me that. And I can get why she said that, but it was just the fact that I really like being the center of attention. Not because I wanted to outshine other people or I want to put them down, but just I like being that. So that was not me being pick me, but she definitely assumed that. And I didn't know the meaning of being a pick me at that time. But
She
later
said ऐसा out of nowhere मतलब
out of nowhere, we were हिंदी क्लास में बैठे हैं, उठने वाले हैं, मैंने बोली ये तो उसने she said like ये अब तो अच्छी हो गई, पहले पहले तो पिक मी थी.
We are done with this.
तो this YouTube खोलते हैं. Now YouTube के पूरे जो कुछ little comments में से we are going to pick some.
You are an all-rounder and have always topped. Good at sports as well. You were very sensible and mature. All-rounder, yes. Topped, yes. Good at sports, I would say also yes. Very sensible and mature. Sensible, yes. Mature, I mean, हो ही जाते हैं like 10th 11th के टाइम पे I think. अब if you're talking ऐसा first हर क्लास में तो
नहीं, but one of the था, not one, the one. Good at sports, we did not have a lot of sports, but I think I really liked being a part. Like I'm a sporty person, I would say. Like I would love to be. मुझे chance ज़्यादा मिलता तो, but मिला भी नहीं हमारे school में, ऐसा था भी नहीं. But जितना था I did.
you are supposed to learn basketball on your own.
Yeah, and I really wanted to learn basketball.
अगर कोई सिखाता तो.
Yes, I was like very कि मुझे please थोड़ा सिखा दो. And I think college में if I get a chance, I will definitely learn.
Okay, my assumptions about you. You are an all-rounder, popular girl. Looks mean, but once you start talking, you're really sweet. You love your family and friends more than anything.
I want to know your opinion on this.
Last वाले में बोलना नहीं चाह. Okay. All-rounder, yes, I've said. Popular girl, also yes. मतलब 11th 12th में आके I think mainly ज़्यादा हो गया था after you became house captain and
10th
everything.
के पहले वैसे कोई होता भी नहीं I think popular. What do you mean 8th class का बच्चा कोई popular कैसे होगा?
Exactly. Point. Looks mean, but once you start talking, you're really sweet. I don't think she looks mean.
I think she did not have a first impression on me, but I've seen.
बचपन से देखा.
And I've seen, and we directly started talking, so we didn't have a first impression wala thing. But I know some people have considered that, so this thing might just be true because I've seen. I do have a lot of time straight face, but I am a laughable person, so mostly not. But बहुत लोगों ने से immune वगैरह मिली हो, they might consider first point कि I'm not very talkative, and when they realize, they go like, oh, I did not assume that you were this talkative, and you are quite innocent as they assume. That's not true, but yeah, this might be true.
Do people think it's a compliment ऐसा innocent बोलना?
नहीं. people say that you look naive, but it's a like prettier or like a better way to say innocent, and I don't take that as a compliment.
हाँ, it's not a compliment.
Yeah, it's just a like formal way of saying you're naive.
You're dumb.
Yeah, you're naive.
You're dumb. हाँ, बस ये बोला. You love your family and friends more than anything. I don't think so.
No, I think I'll. देखो मेरा ना बहुत सिंपल सा है. To care about my family and friends, I need to be the most healthy, wealthiest person around them. So yeah, I'd rather put myself first than others so that I can take care of them. To put it like that, and to not look like a
You're
narcissist.
not in a position to be caring of me.
I am, but I really don't have a lot of people. Like, I would love to care about people, but I don't think I have a lot of people to care about. And the people that I have, I try to by writing letters and letting them know that I do care, if I can, and if I want to, of course. But I still put myself, I think, not above them, does not sound good, but like in a priority list, I'm before them, before anybody you talk
Makes
about
sense, huh?
yet. And there's nothing wrong putting yourself before anybody else. As I said, you need to be good to take care of other people.
I assume your first name starts with letter V.
I know this guy.
I don't know what to assume, but it's fun. Okay, it's fun.
अरे यार ये साइलेंट होकर डरा है ना जो अभी एक क्लिप जो कि मैं साइलेंट करके आई होप डालूंगी इसमें वी जस्ट टॉक समथिंग अबाउट स्कूल एंड पीपल दैट वी डोंट वांट टू इंक्लूड.
What else can we do?
Is there anything?
Story time कर लो.
I think I can. Actually, मैंने story time on that.
बनाया.
पर मैंने कभी अपलोड नहीं किया because I just thought that this is not the type of content I want to put out. But there's a video.
I think बीच-बीच में मस्ती डाल देनी चाहिए. इतना
मैंने सोचा क्या करूँ मैं डाल के but अब देखो मौसम अच्छा हो गया जब वीडियो खत्म हो गई है. But I think कितनी बड़ी बन गई but anyway जितनी भी बन गई है I think that's it. Anything more on girls school I think I'd upload a Saturday Split sort of video like my personal experience in an all girls school because I remember a lot of things and my हर साल was some about happening like I have had chicken pox I have had like trophies जाना कहीं being called somebody's daughter अपनी school की teacher की being hated by teachers I have a lot of story time to tell so maybe that can somebody else has called it like हमारे साथ कोई गया था in third grade but that's a topic for another day but हाँ उसके बारे में there'll be a whole another video. This was just some assumptions or questions अभी regarding school life. बाकी anything else that you want to add about girls school या कुछ your experience?
I think people assume कि all girls है तो बहुत ज़्यादा competition होगा या hatred होगा. I think there's nothing like that. इतना नहीं होता. Do you think people hate each other?
No, I think but हाँ I'd say कि rare friendship so difficult है maybe co-ed से ज़्यादा. That's what I think. It might be hard for you or you may think at least it was for me initially. But नहीं ऐसे hated कोई नहीं है. There is no
It was
such cat
hard
fights
for me to make friends. हाँ मेरे लिए भी.
both of us and despite we have like very different personalities I'd say we work and process the like similarly but we work things out differently but still experience होने का kind of same ही था.
The first time I'd made friends was in 9th grade.
The first time I made friends was in first grade but that did not change a thing. They were just friends like as I say rare friendships है थोड़ी सी in all girls school so that's why even you see that a lot of people do not stay after school in general भी but I think co-ed people still stay not because they are guys but because they are groups that want to stick together.
What would you say about मतलब your experience with teachers as in general? मतलब if you were to divide as a junior teacher होता है
Junior teachers
हाँ और फिर then we have middle school then we have high school.
I think since we had like all female teacher like all, I think we had only one sir that was a sports sir बाकी सब teachers female ही थे you know so that was a हमारे लिए I remember initially sir को मैम बोलना was the like Karen event हर किसी ने एक बार बोला होगा क्योंकि एक ही आध सर थे हमारे स्कूल में and the peons and stuff वो भी the male but very rare that also so I think बिल्कुल starting के teachers they remember me even now and they remember her as well, I think.
Exactly.
That's a very good thing.
After 12-13 years आपको अभी भी याद है, that's nice.
हाँ, वो भी इतने पुराने बैच की कुछ बच्चे, एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, और इतने सारे बैचेस चलेगा, बट स्टिल आई थिंक टीचर्स आर गुड. इवन नाउ दे कैन टॉक इफ आई मीट देम. आई थिंक सारे ही इयर्स के टीचर्स हैव टॉट मी समथिंग. ऑफ कोर्स देयर वर टीचर हु आर काइंड ऑफ इररिलेवेंट इन माय लाइफ अब, but most of them are relevant because even if there was one interaction, I do cherish that. So I think जूनियर स्कूल के इतनी ज्यादा, जूनियर स्कूल में तो देयर वाज लाइक मदर टीचर होती थी तब तो, कि एक ही वो सभी चीज पढ़ाती हैं. सो दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस. मिडिल स्कूल का ऐसा मुझे एक्सपीरियंस याद नहीं है अच्छा, काफी तो कोविड में भी था. हाई स्कूल वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Interesting, yeah. अच्छा तो नहीं था,
इंटरेस्टिंग
interesting था. हाँ.
Stories you can talk about. I have stories to tell, but I have good experiences as well. It's not the teachers have given me a lot of opportunities and taught me things, but there were some bad experiences as well. But these are not bad, actually they're fun experiences. I say they were fun experiences, or they were either fun experiences or good experiences. She can recall a fun experience right now.
Funny
So-
याद आता है, bad तो bad भी था, but you have to get over it. Exactly. क्या ही
मैं बैड कंसिडर भी नहीं करती honestly, मेरे लिए फन था. I'd say कि मैं I really like happening थोड़ा चेंज ना, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा this is the base और थोड़ा भी नीचे आना, I enjoy it honestly. I'll be really honest, I like change, so it's fine to me. I'm very chill.
I don't like teacher traumatizing me.
I am fine. I've been traumatized by people as well. Teachers क्या कर लेंगी यार. And the fact that the people that I know कि कुछ टाइम के बाद मेरी जिंदगी में नहीं रहेंगे उतना ज़्यादा, I think that is something जो memorable बनाता है. If there was something who was supposed to stay in my life for long and did something bad to me, तो फिर वो मेरे लिए एक bad experience
Matter भी
होता.
करता है, exactly. हाँ.
मैटर करता है, साथ में बैड एक्सपीरियंस में कंसिडर होता है. ये वाला मेरा फन एक्सपीरियंस में इसलिए कंसिडर हो रहा है क्योंकि अभी जिंदगी में है नहीं. So it's just stories.
Happened.
Yeah.
Pass.
That's it for this video, I guess. We have said enough. It's a 20-minute long video, but a good video. Yes, 24 minutes में trim करके थोड़ा कर देंगे. But I think it's a good watch, like an episode you're watching of experience of girls school, जिसमें girls school की सबकी बात हुई है. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Bye. जैसी आ रही है. I don't do this in public. ये BTS होगा. End of the video clip. Okay, have you opened?